In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Android smartphone or Android tablet to your Brother MFC-L2820DW. I'll also show you how to print and how to get the scan results directly on your Android smartphone. So let's get started right away. The first step is to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi network. The same Wi-Fi network has your smartphone. On the display, we're gonna tap on this Wi-Fi icon on the bottom of the screen. Then you're going to select Find Wi-Fi Network. You're going to wait a few seconds. It will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks around the printer. It will give you a list. You can use the arrows to go up and down, and once you find your Wi-Fi network, you simply need to click on it and then press OK. Type the password. If your password has numbers or symbols, you have a small button over here that you can switch between the different keyboards. Once your password has been typed, press OK. And you'll get the connected confirmation that everything is fine. Press OK. And this is it. Your printer is now connected. You can press the home button over here. And as you see down below, you're going to have the Wi-Fi icon. So what you need to do next is to go on the Google Play Store, all right? And you're gonna search and download the Brother Mobile Connect app, this one over here. Once you have downloaded the app, go ahead, launch it. This is the main menu screen you may see once you open the app. And if you're here, press on the top right corner where you see a printer icon. If it's the first time you're using the app, you may see this screen automatically, so you won't have to press on the top right corner. Then press Add Machine. Click Register your machine. Wait a few seconds. Your printer will appear here. Here you go. This is my printer. By the way, if you don't see it appearing, what I suggest is that you turn off your printer and turn it on back again. And yeah. Once you do this, usually it appears. Click on it. Press skip on the top right corner, activate later. We don't need that for now. Maybe later. Press skip over here. Exit setup. This will bring you to the Brother website. You just have to go back to the app. And if there is a firmware available to be installed, okay, for your printer, you're gonna get a message appearing here. You can press OK to install it, but in this video, we don't have time for that. So let me show you how to print and how to get the scan results on your phone. So over here, you can press document print or photo print, depending what you want to print. I'll press document. Select the document that is located on your smartphone. You're going to get a preview appearing over here. Right now it's loading, but in the meanwhile, you can click the cogwheel and make sure that these settings are okay with you. So the paper size, how many copies do you want, and other stuff, like if you want to print on both sides. One important thing is if you're printing things with a lot of details, click on quality and select fine instead of normal. Normal is perfect for everything that is text. Like this, it will do quite well. But if you're printing pictures again, or I don't know, artwork, choose fine instead. Let me go back. Here is the preview and press print once you're ready to print. Here is the print. Perfect. Now let me show you how to scan. This printer has two different scanners, one on the top and one over here. Let me show you how to input your paper and then we'll go on the app itself. To input paper in this flat glass scanner, you're going to take it, put it facing down with the top part of your page towards the left side. And then all we have to do is to bring the page so it touches the top left corner, okay? Just like that, and then close the lid. Now, if you want to input paper over there, this is great if you have like 30 pages to scan at the same time. Take your sheets of paper. Here I only have 2, but again, could be a lot more than this. Align them, put them facing up with the top part of your document towards the left, and glide them in this over here. You're gonna hear a beep simply telling you that the printer has recognized that there's a document there. On your smartphone, you're gonna go back on the main menu. Okay, let's just go back. Whoops, I exit the app. All right, here press scan. You're gonna get some details about your scan. So do you want it in color or black and white? Do you want what kind of document size you're trying to scan? And the print resolution, where you can choose. If you're scanning text, 200 dpi is enough. Press scan and it will begin. You see over here, if you have put paper there, you just have to let the printer take each pages, maybe extend this so they don't fly over your desk, and they will appear one by one on your phone or Android tablet. Great, so my 2 pages appeared. All you have to do, if you want to delete one, there's an X button, by the way, but right now you can press done. And when time comes to save it, there is a save button here. If you want to share it on social media, email, stuff like that, you have a share button as well. I'll press save. You can edit the name. This is the default name of whatever it scanned. If I press here, you can change and give it a more custom name that you'll recognize. You can also select what kind of file do you want. By default is JPEG, but if you're scanning a text document, well, most people will prefer PDF. File size, just leave it the way it is. Once you do this, then press save and it will save according to the settings you have chosen. If you want to print whatever you have scanned, press the top right button and it will simply print out the results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment, check my Amazon links if you want to get ink, paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you do this, you support my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe.